हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस फेलियर? इफ यस, कैसे टैकल करें इस फेलियर को? क्योंकि लाइक सीए में क्या होता है कि लाइक यू जस्ट हैव टू पे 1100 रुपीस एंड यू कैन जस्ट अगेन अपीयर फॉर द एग्जाम, बट
जी
फॉर दिस एग्जाम आई फील इट कॉस्ट अराउंड 80K फॉर वन पेपर,
या इट
80,000
इज
रुपीस, इवन मोर देन दैट. सो कैसे फेलियर को हैंडल करें अगर फेल हो भी जाए इंसान? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट इज नीडेड फ्रॉम फैमिली, फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ? इफ यू कैन जस्ट guide about theirs as well.
Yeah, so most candidates who eventually become licensed have failed at least once. So if I talk about myself, I have also faced the failure of, I have failed my first paper, right? If you have just failed and if you're looking forward to how to cope up emotionally, right? The first thing I'll suggest is give yourself a short or intentional break, I would say, right? Take a few days, a week off to process that disappointment, rest for some time, do things that recharge you, right? Whether it could be your friends, it could be your hobby, exercise, or time off from the screen, right? Apart from that, I'll say that normalize that experience. Remind yourself that failure here is a data point, not a verdict on your ability to career. Right? And then separate identity from outcome. Right? I'll say that you're not a failure. You're a candidate who hasn't passed this section yet. I would quote it in this particular way. Right? So
Great.
this mindset shift is repeatedly emphasized by the tutor and successful CPAs, the candidates that we have. Right? But
Yeah.
what could be the possible practical next step after a failed section is that once you have given rest time, once you start working on it again, analyze your score report. Since I mentioned you previously that when we get the result, we also get a score report in that as well, right? So you can check your section score and the performance by the content area that you have. Identify whether you were weaker in some specific topics or in questions type. I would say whether it's the MCQs that you were failing or with the task-based questions that you were not working well, right? Ask yourself how close I was to that 75 numbers, because at the end you only need that 75, not more than that.
Yeah.
Did I run out of time or I have misread the questions, right? Where are the specific topics that I clearly didn't know? Focus on those areas, right? Then retake now or switch section. So this is how I guess you should focus more on and look for things how you can go ahead with. And this is how I would say you can plan your timeline ahead. Don't fall behind कि भाई मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा है, मेरा ही क्यों फेल हो रहा है बार बार.
That's nice. And जो क्वेश्चन मैंने आपसे पूछा, like it's genuinely very difficult to conclude. But आपने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली, like just consider yourself as a candidate who hasn't just passed it. And you might disagree with me on this, and like I'm just always like that. And I have a feel like if you have spent around 4 years, 5 years, and you haven't even cleared half of the papers, then I would say it's okay to leave. That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.